got here, we found out we ain't fucking around. Tried to drown us in a sea of water, but you're gonna have to take it so much further if you aim to murder my whole town. In the state we got pythons and cobras, clouds of mosquitoes and veteran soldiers crawling through the mud and the muck all around. I'ma tell you one more time, bitch, my trigger fingers really got an itch. Put 1,000 rounds in the dome of Earl the Clown. And you know I'm serious as fuck when you see me hanging out of my truck with a AK in hand, busting caps in your ass. So I lead an army of gators, sharks and crocodiles with lasers, and we came to put old Irma down. Got plenty of Yangling loggers, fridge full of ice and generators, just in case the power goes down. When the sun rises again tomorrow, we'll look past all the sorrow and get to work rebuilding our town. See, Emma, you brought us together, and there isn't anything better. Looking out for our fellow men, you can't bring us down.